What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. We're here, have some packages, we're going to unbox them, we're going to take a look. I'm actually excited to take a look at these shoes right here. These actually did come out last week. I think it was on a Saturday. I tried to go for them, I took an L. I had a pair resale and they finally came in. So we're going to take a quick look at that. First we have this package right here. Now, if it is what I think it is, then it is. Whoa. So this took about like, whatever's in this bag took about like, I want to say like about a month, 2 months, maybe 3. It's been a long ass time. Okay, so take them out. Alright, here's the receipt. This is 2 items. Brand new. I ordered these back in April 23rd, 2020. Analyze that, I think. Yeah. They were 95 bucks each. You're probably wondering what the fuck did I order that took that long. Well, they are the Travis Scott Fortnite merch. I did receive some like a couple weeks ago, but I'm still missing a couple things. I ordered the Fortnite gun and the action figure. I'm still waiting on those 2 items. They haven't shipped yet. And yeah, these are the 2 gaming jerseys. So we have the white pair. I don't know if I'm gonna keep these. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these. Might resell these if they go for anything. But we have the white gaming jersey, and then we also have the black gaming jersey. Well, this one's already kind of open, so we're gonna take a look at these. Let's see how quality is. This is live, alright? So I got a size medium. And these are long sleeves. I forgot they're long sleeves. These were made in Salvador. So this is the jersey. You have like these shape thingies going on. And then you have gaming right in the middle. And then you kind of have like this like mountain that is like on fire. On the back you have the big Cactus Jack, which I think is actually kind of dope. And yeah, on the side you kind of have like the KJ Cactus Jack logo. You have whatever the fuck this says on the sleeves. You have Cactus Entertainment. Your sleeves are purple, by the way. And then what the hell is this? Astro. So you have this Astro, and then you have what? Astronomical with some flames. And I believe you have the same thing on the other sleeve. Yeah, you have same thing on the other sleeve. So this is the black and purple colorway with flames and mountains. This is the gaming jersey. But put that to the side. Put the white one to the side. Now let's get on to the shoes. And let me know, did you guys receive your stuff from Travis Scott if you ordered anything? As you guys can see, I'm still waiting for some more stuff. All right. Take them out. God damn. The fucking box is damaged. Jesus Christ. UPS did not take care. Bro, what the fuck? Holy shit. God damn. All right. Jeez. First of all, all right. UPS fucked me. First of all, look at the lid. It's kind of damaged. You could probably fix it. Like, you know what? It's just a box. But it is damaged. And yeah, look at this shit. Can you guys even look at this? Oh my God. Lord have mercy. What the fuck? I'm not mad. I'm just very angry. Alright, it is what it is. Fuck, man. I mean, at least it's not ripped, right? Like, I can honestly stuff this up and it'll go back to shape, but... And plus, these are going to be personal, so like, I'm not even going to worry about the box. But yeah. Fucked up box by UPS. Thanks. Yeah, got these 8.5 Air Jordan 1s. If you guys didn't know, this is an Air Jordan 1 box. And I'm going to take a quick look at these bad boys. Take them out. And these are clean. When I first saw pictures of these, I was like, I need a pair. I need them in a collection. I want one for my personal. And then they recently released, I took an L, and yeah, we had to pay resale. But these first came out in Europe, I believe, first, and then they finally released over here in the States. And the shoe that we're talking about, boom, the Air Jordan 1. These are, what are they calling these? I just had a brain fart. What are they calling these? The Zen Greens. I think that's what they're calling them, the Zen Greens. But yeah, man, these shoes are beautiful. I don't know, something about the colorway, kind of like is like this black with the green. It just looks very, very nice. Kind of like, you know, the Eagles colorway. Just saying, the Air Jordan 1 Zoom Air Zen Greens, whatever you guys want to call these, had to have them. So obviously, colorway is black and green. Let me just double check. The colorway is black, and tomatillo. Analyze. Tomatillo, I guess is what we're calling the tomatillo now. But yeah, you got hits. The leather is black. As you guys can see, black areas, it's all leather. Not the best leather, I'll say that, but it is what it is. And then obviously you have your tomatillo, the hits of green. You have green, it's like a nice rough green suede. Kind of looks like an SB type suede. If you guys looked at pictures of those cough drop cherry SBs, you know how it's kind of like hairy, but it not really. That's how it looks like. Some nice suede on these. Obviously, you have some more suede on the side of the shoe with this silver swoosh, which is actually 3M. So, you know, taking a flick, put flash on, you'll be able to see that Nike swoosh pop. And then you have this zoom tag right here, if you guys can see that right there. And then you have these two stitches on the side of the shoe. I have no clue why, but it's there. And then on the Nike swoosh, you can kind of see has the green stitching on the Nike swoosh as well. You have the zoom right there, and then your Wings logo in black on black. Back of the shoe, just some black leather. You can kind of see the 3M swoosh right there with the green. And then on the inside of the shoe, you have another 3M swoosh right there and more green rough suede going on. Midsole is white, and then on the bottom of the shoe is actually a clear bottom, but you kind of have this kind of like this reddish go into greenish, which actually is kind of dope, but the outsole is clear, so obviously when you're going to be wearing them, they're going to get dirty, and yeah, they're going to turn piss yellow. As you guys can see, lime green pattern going on the inner side, whatever you call this, the pattern. Then the insole, you guys can kind of see it says Zoom Air right there. Then your tongue, just a black standard tongue, but then right here you have Zoom Air instead of, I think it usually says Nike Air, right? Boom, right there, Nike Air in the white. Laces come with this black laces with green tips, as you guys can see. Black laces with green tips. Focus right there, boom. And these do come with extra laces, which is the lime green laces, or what they call it, tomatillo laces right there. Probably keep the black laces, to be honest, unless I wanted to give it that pop. I don't know how they look like with these laces. That's pretty much it for this shoe. Just black and a green colorway with very nice details, that 3M swoosh, the zoom tag, and I don't know, overall I'm a fan of this colorway. Definitely had to have these in the collection, and I don't know why, but when I first saw pictures online, I thought the black leather, I don't know, for some reason it looks purple to me, like a very dark purple, but it's actually black when you have them in hand. I don't know, maybe I'm seeing stuff or something. Maybe I need to get my eyes checked out. Oh, and it is Zoom Air, so I'm pretty sure these are comfortable. Let's take a look at the insole, because I'm pretty sure these have like an air zoom unit inside or something magical, but I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. That's the thing. Here we go. You have this big ass air zoom unit right here. Like, look at this, analyze this. You see that? That's like a whole air zoom unit on the bottom of the shoe. Can you guys see that? Damn. Yeah, look at that. That whole thing from toe to heel, it's a whole air zoom unit. And you have like this thin ass insole for some reason. I don't know. But yeah, man, that is going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new for more videos like this in the future, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.